Hello, Miss Sarah's class. I'm glad to see you today. I hope you've had a great week practicing your letter F, looking for squares around your house, and trying to spy things that are yellow. I saw a picture of my friend Nakiel practicing his letters and doing an art project. Great job, Nakiel. All right, let's see here. Let's review and get ready for school today. We're going to stop, look, and listen. Eyes are watching, ears are listening, mouth is closed, body still and quiet, you should really try it. Listen well, listen well. All right, now we are ready for school. We're going to review the letter F. Hopefully my friends have been practicing the letter F. F makes the f sound, as in fan or fox. To make a letter F, you do the capital letter F, you do line down 1, line over 2, line over 3. And that's the capital F. To make a lowercase f, you start here, make a hook, go down, and one small line across. Capital F, lowercase f. F says f. F says f. The shape of the week is, I got it upside down, is a square. A square has 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a box. And the color of the week is the color of the box. What color is this box? That's right. It's yellow. This is a yellow box. So last week, our second video, we did a science project and we checked on our plants. And if you looked on Class Dojo, I took a picture of the plants, and they haven't started to peek up yet, but they will in a couple weeks. And I will take another picture every week. Today's science project, you will need some supplies. You will need food coloring, a plate, and a coffee filter. I cut a coffee filter in half. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. We're going to do it together. I am going to pick the color of the week, which is yellow. I am going to use red and blue. You can use whatever colors you have. And what you do is you take the colors, you take the tops off, and you do a couple squirts. And make a few polka dots of each color. You don't want to put too much, like Miss Sarah did. I got a little excited with the colors. I'm just doing 2 to 3 drops of each one. Now red. All right. Do you see the polka dots? All right. Now you take a water bottle. Something that you can put water in. Last time we talked about how Miss Sarah used an empty spray bottle, rinsed it out, and recycled it, which means reused it, repurposed it to make a water bottle. So water is in this bottle. And then, this is the science. But before I do it, when we do science, we need to first stop and think. What do you think is going to happen when I spray the water on the coffee filter with the food coloring on it? What do you think? All right, let's see if you're right. This is the fun part. What's happening to the colors? Do you see? The colors are spreading out. They're running, and the more colors that you use, the more colorful it'll be. So after you do this, you put it out and you let it dry. And on Monday's video, we're going to do the next step of something we can do with this. We can hang it up and we're going to make something beautiful. All right? All right, we're going to put that to side. That was fun science. Now, my friends, if you don't have the items to do the science project, that's okay. Just let Miss Sara know underneath this video or comment on class, have mommy or your family contact me on Class Dojo, message me, and I can deliver supplies, okay? That was fun. That science is always fun. It's Miss Sara's favorite. Now we're gonna do some counting with ice cream cones. Above each ice cream cone, there is a number of scoops. It is the right number of scoops. This is the number 1. So there is 1 scoop. 1. This is 2. Count with me. 1, 2 scoops. 2. Count this scoops. 1, 2, 3. 3 scoops. Now what comes after 3? Let's think. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 4. Let's count 4 scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the 5 scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scoops. Do you think you could eat 6 scoops of ice cream? That's a lot of scoops. All right. Lastly, before we end our small class today, we're going to read a book. We've read this book in class. It's another one of my friend's favorites. Polar Bear, what do you hear? This is by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carlisle. Polar Bear, what do you hear? Eric Carlisle is the illustrator. He makes all the pictures. Let me move you guys a little bit so you can see the book, okay? All right. Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Can you make a roaring sound? Roar. Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo fluting in my ear. What color is this hippopotamus? If you know it, shout it out. That's right, it's blue. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. What color is this flamingo? That's right, it's pink. Zebra, zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. I see black stripes on the white zebra. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. Snakes, Miss Sara don't like snakes. Elephant, elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard snarling in my ear. You see the gray elephant? Leopard, leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. What color is this leopard? It's the color of the week. It's yellow with black spots. Peacock, peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. Walrus, walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children. Growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, flooding like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, and hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, and bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. Do you see all of the children dressing up like the animals that they saw at the zoo? That is the end of our book today. All right, my friends, I hope you had fun with Miss Sara today, and I hope you can do the science project. Remember, practice writing your names every day, and also practice writing the letter of the week. You guys have a great one, and I will put another video up next week. I love you so much. Keep learning.